Hello, this is Dr.G SUBBAIAH, Spine Surgeon, Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. A lot of people ask me, how can we prevent low back pain? If you have to understand how to prevent the low back pain, you should know what are the causes of low back pain. Then only you can prevent the low back pain. So if you look at what are the causes of low back pain is, first and foremost thing is, low back pain is considered to be a lifestyle disease like the heart diseases, the brain diseases, diabetes, hypertension, obesity. Low back pain is considered to be a lifestyle disease. So the first and foremost thing is avoid smoking. Smoking can cause back pain or neck pain or even pain between the shoulder blades. A lot of people know that smoking can cause BP, sugar, cancers, the heart problems, all those things. But many of the people do not know that smoking can cause the disc problems. What exactly is this disc? If you look at the structure of the spine, the spine has the bones, and between every two bones there is a soft cushiony structure known as the intervertebral disc, or simply to say the disc. And this disc wears out, degenerates because of smoking, and this can cause the low back pain or the neck pain. So the first and foremost thing is, if you're smoking, avoid smoking. That can keep your spine very healthy. Second thing is maintaining the proper posture. You see off late, you see a lot of people working with the computers, the software engineers, service providers, service companies, all the people, they're working with the computer. So they work with the computer, sit for longer periods of time. That can put enormous stress on the lower back, enormous stress on the neck, and enormous stress on the muscles around the shoulder blades, and can cause neck pain, low back pain, and even the shoulder pain. So maintenance of proper posture while working is very, very important to avoid these low back pain and neck pain. If you look at what is the right posture to sit is, if you're sitting, your back should touch the chair. You should not lean forward or crouch forward, and both your feet should be flat on the ground, or at least you should have a footrest. These two are important. And third important thing is, while sitting, your knee should be at a lower level compared to the hip. That means if you are sitting in a low-lying chairs, sofas or stools, your knee can go up compared to the hip level. So that can put stress on the low back. So this is the ideal sitting position. Even if you're following the ideal sitting posture, if you sit in the ideal posture for longer periods of time, like let's say if you sit in this proper position for 3 hours, 4 hours, that also can cause low back pain. So frequent breaks from work is very important. Like if you sit for let's say half an hour, 45 minutes, you should get up, move around for 1 to 2 minutes, sit back, work again. So maintain a proper posture and take frequent breaks. So this prevents a lot of back related problems. So avoid smoking, maintain proper posture while working, take frequent breaks. And the other important cause for the low back pain is inadequate sleep. An average adult above the age of 18 years requires at least 7 hours of sleep. So sleep deprivation is known to be a factor for one of the reasons for low back pain. So sleep well for at least 7 to 8 hours a day. So that will have a positive effect on the spine. And stress, anxiety, all these things can also contribute to low back pain. Of late, we know a lot of people work with deadlines. The project has to be finished before this date, that date. So these kind of deadlines people work nowadays. So this puts a lot of anxiety, stress, and that can lead to low back pain. So to avoid this anxiety, stress, all these things, one has to adopt some habits like reading to books, listening to music, playing games. All these things can help in reducing the stress. Thereby all these things keep your spine healthy. The other important thing is sedentary lifestyle. So most of the people, they get up in the morning, have breakfast, rush to the office, come back home, probably sit in front of the TV, have dinner and sleep. No exercises, nothing. This is a classical sedentary lifestyle. sedentary lifestyle can lead to back pain, even the neck pain and other forms of pain. This also can be the reason for various other diseases like diabetes, hypertension, heart related diseases, cancers, even the strokes, all these things. So do some form of exercise. The simplest thing anyone can do is walking. The recommended duration of walking is at least 20 to 30 minutes a day for at least 5 to 6 times a week. If you do, it keeps you in general healthy and it keeps your spine as well healthy. And the other important thing is adequate diet, proper diet, balanced diet. Eating balanced diet is important. If you are eating junk food regularly, there is a possibility that you can develop back pain very early. So there is a statistical association between junk food eaters and low back pain. Those people who take junk foods on a regular basis can develop low back pain. So avoid junk foods, eat healthy homemade food, especially include green leafy vegetables, milk and milk products. All these things have plenty of calcium, which are in general good for bony health. So if you're eating proper food, balanced diet, that keeps your spine healthy. So follow all these advices and you can avoid most of the back problems.